Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your CommonWealth Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in CommonWealth Bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.commonbank.com. Click on that link. Then you will be taken to the official website of Common Bank. Scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the log on to NetBank, register for NetBank. If you don't have any account of Common Bank, just click on the register for NetBank. For now I'm going for logon. Now you will be taken to the new interface, which is the logon page of the CommonWealth Bank. Over here you just need to enter your client number. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. Just click on remember client number for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your login ID, just click on I have forgotten my login details. And if you don't have any account of CommonWealth Bank, just click on register for NetBank now. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.